So, time to change the battery on my 2015 Kia Sedona. Let's get started. Alright, first you want to pop your hood under here. You reach and then push this way. So release the latch and put it in your arm there. Alright, that's in. There's your battery. And we got some stuff in the way to get it out. So you want to wear some safety glasses when doing this, just in case everything explodes in your face. And right here is the new battery that I'm putting into it. Alright, I got a 10mm nut here and here that I'm going to loosen up. And then I got a 12mm bolt down there that I'm going to take out. Okay, now we need to take this off so that we don't tilt the battery and lose any fluid out of it. There's a little notch in these tabs for a flathead screwdriver. Get in there. Twist until the top pops up. Here's what it looks like. And there's the groove for the screwdriver. Just pop down and then you stick the screwdriver in that groove. Alright. This can be undone here. There's a tab on both sides you can push in. There we go. And just make sure you don't get anything down inside that as you're removing things. Alright, take your outside cover off. Now there is a lip on the battery. The lip in the back might be hard to see with the camera, but there's a lip on the battery that goes into an area. So it's with it slid out, there is a slotted area underneath this that the lip on that battery slides under. So once you get it in, slide it up against that. Show you what I'm talking about on this. Right there's that lip that slides under. Yeah. So the cover with the shorter groove goes in right here on this side. That's to allow this to clamp down on the other side. There's another lip that has to clamp down to hold the battery in place. Alright, so before I cinch it up, I'm going to go ahead and put my terminals back on. Make sure you remove the protective plastic caps first. Okay, put this side on first. I like to hold on to the cable part so that it doesn't put any major twisting pressure on the terminal. Alright, let's put our air intake back on and then we're good. There we go. So I want to make sure everything is working properly. We're at 12.3 volts with the battery by itself. Alright, we're at 14.3, so that's good. The alternator is working. Thanks for watching.